Hey y'all, thank you so much for tuning in to my channel. So today I said I was going to do a review on this hair that I got, which is, what inch is it? It's 36 inches. I thought it was longer than that, but it's 36 inches and it comes like all the way down past my boom boom and like to the back of my knee. But I got my wrap strip on because I laid my edges, and when I take it off I want you guys to see my edges. Like, these my real edges too, because I glued this in. Instead of me making a wig, I glued the hair in. But I'm gonna show you what I use. First, for the hair, this is the hair. It's model, and it was $12.99. I don't know if you guys can like see, if it can like focus, but it was $12.99 a pack. I bought 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I bought 6 packs of these, but I only used 4. So I guess I'll use the other 2 packs like when I take the hair out to make like a ponytail or something. But let me see, can I open it and you can see it? I've had this hair in for 3 days. But when I first took it out the package, look at me messing it up already. That's just like me to mess it up. This is how it looked when I took it out the package. Like this. It's like a silky straight. 36 inches. So that's really nice. It's soft. Ooh, I always smell hair. Like, I don't know what's wrong with me. I got a problem. I always smell it, but it smells very, very good. It's nothing like that new hair smell that's straight out of the packaging. And I should have made a video about this. Okay, so I permed my, whoa, put it back down, girl. But I permed my real hair because I do get perms. I get a perm every 6 months. Some of you may not get perms, and that's strictly up to you. But I wanted my hair to be as straight as the weave or whatever. So after I permed it, I put my hair in a ponytail. I just took out my edges. I'm going to go ahead and take this off so you can see. Hold on, let me see. So after I permed my hair, I took out this part. I just took out a little rectangle from here to here, and I took out my edges because I didn't want any glue on my edges. So I took out my edges so I can do my little baby hairs. Girl, you see, girl, you see those baby hairs? Girl, I made those. But anyway, I took the rest of my hair and I put it to the back of my head, and I molded it with gel. So I use this. This is nothing. Softee gel is nothing. It's $1. Girl, I got it for $1. I used that gel, and I used something else too. What else did I use? Oh, I used some mousse. I put some mousse. Hold on, let me see. Do I have a mousse in here? Oh, right here. So I used this. Used the mousse, put it in a ponytail in the back of my head, dried it with the blow dryer, and when it was completely dry, I put a stocking cap on my head. How much is this? $1. It was $1 too. So I put this little stocking cap on my head, and I took some Got to Be Glued, and with the stocking cap, I outlined my head with the Got to Be Glued. So I put some over here, put some over here, put some around the edges, and I put some around the back so my cap can stay down. I dried that real good. Like, it took me like 15 minutes to dry it because it acted like it didn't want to dry. After that, I started from the back of my head and I started gluing the tracks in. I did cut my tracks. So I started gluing in the tracks. And when I got about like right in here, that's when I clipped off the ends of the stocking cap. After I clipped off the ends, I finished gluing it like in a U until I got to this part. And then I took a flat iron and I just flat ironed my hair. Okay, so with this hair is, I think it's blended hair because it's not all the way human. Like whenever I want to try a new style, instead of me spending like $800 on some hair, I always go get some cheap hair so I can see how it looks on me before I spend that type of money. Because who wants to, wait a minute, my hair stuck to my zipper. There we go. Who wants to spend $800, $900, $1,000 on hair when you can just get it for $12.99 to see how it looks on you, keep it in for a couple of days. It really matters how you take care of it. Like, I have to brush this hair. Girl, I have to brush this hair like every 20 minutes. Like, I'm always brushing it because it's blended hair and it gets tangled faster. Then it's real long. Any real long hair is gonna get tangled at the ends. But it says it's straight weave, 36 inches, model hair, color 1B, safe up to 400 degrees for a curling iron. Like, they lying. I think they lying. They got to be lying. We gonna try it, but I think they ass lying. Ain't no way. 400 degrees. Girl, this blended hair, girl. 400 degrees, you gonna burn it. So, when I comb out this hair, I always put it to one side. You see how it's like getting tangled or whatever? So, I always put it on one side. And I start from the ends and I comb it out. Like this. So, this is some good hair to start off with to see if you like straight, long hair. Girl, you should have seen me in the club. I was over everybody's face. They were like, oh my God, that hair is so beautiful. I was like, thank you, girl. It's $12 a pack. A pack, girl. Okay. So, sis, right now I'm just trying to comb it out. I'm going to see what's up with these flat irons getting up to 400 degrees if it's really going to work. But yeah. Next time I'll do the full installment. I didn't know it was going to be this cute, so that's why I didn't do the full installment of this. Okay, put it to the back. Then I take it to this side because you know it's still a little crimp over here. Girl, this maintenance. Gotta do some work with this hair. See how I got tangle right there? Gotta have some type of patience to comb this hair. You need patience. Patience, sis. Wait. And it's been in my head for 3 days. 3 days. And it still look pretty cute when I comb it out. Okay, for the flat iron, I'm really scared to put this flat iron on 400. I have it on 370. So I'm just gonna take a little section of it and see how this works. Ooh, don't let me burn it. Please don't let me burn it. It's only getting tangled like right in here. Ooh, hot. Yeah, that's where it's only getting tangled at right there. I'm just taking small sections because I don't want to keep going over it. Ooh. When I first put it in my head, oh my goodness. It was so straight. It was like super straight. You can see it from when I took it out the pack. It was super straight, baby. It's a chunk of it, but I just really need my ends flat iron pretty good. Okay. Yeah, it's like a, just from it being on 370, it has a little smell to it. It's not a bad smell. It's more of a don't turn the heat up smell. Like 370 is good. If you turn it up to 400, you're gonna burn it. Bam. Okay, so let me put this to the back. And I'm gonna let you guys see it, like how far it comes from the back. I just hate all that combing and brushing. That's the only part I hate. I'm used to shake and go. That's why I usually get wavy hair, some type of loose wave, because I can shake and go. I could probably brush it one time. Okay, so this how it looks from the front all the way to the back. Okay, girl, let me turn to the back. Let me see, I want to make sure it's straight so you can see the length of it. And this the back. You know you gotta make those sounds. And when I wear mine, I do half in the front and then like the rest in the back. So we're gonna part it. We got a little tangle right there. That's what comes with being cheap, baby. That's what comes with being cheap. Okay. So this is the front. So when I wear mine like this. So you can see me when I'm coming and be like, oh, that hair cute. They be like, that hair cute. What kind of hair is that? Girl, this model hair, I got it for $12.99, baby. Do you see it? Do you see it? Just try it. Like, I really wanted to try some long hair. I had 40 inches a long time ago, and I spent so much money on that hair. Girl, it went from 40 inches to 30 inches to 28 inches to a bob. Like, I kept that hair for like 4 or 5 years. So I said, it was red too. So I said, I wonder how it would look in all black hair in 1B. And I think it looks pretty good to me. It looks good. I like it. So if you like it, make sure I guess you can go online. I got it from a beauty store, So Good Beauty, that's like right up the street from me. I stay in Atlanta. And that's where I got mine from. But it's I like it. Even though I have to keep combing it and combing it. And then when you sit down, you have to put it to the side. Like, my hair has its own seat. So when I'm sitting up in the club, I have to sit it to the side and then I sit down. But I'm going to keep this in probably another week. I have a hosting this Friday and Saturday. So I'm going to keep it in another good week. And then when I take it out, I'll make sure I do a full video from start to finish on how I put the hair in my head. And you can glue it or you can make a wig. Like, I'd rather make a wig than to glue it in my head. But I protected my hair so like no glue would get on my hair. But next time I'll probably make like a little wig or something. So I'll show you guys how to make this into a wig. Now also I do a glue in too. I do another glue in for you all who glue your hair in. But you can't keep this hair in for no month. If you keep your hair in for a month, this hair right here, and it still look this good, please write me and tell me what you did. Cause you had to brush that. You gotta brush that hair every 2 minutes. But thank you so much, you guys, for tuning in. Make sure you follow me, subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be doing some makeup tutorials January the 1st, 2019. So please get ready for me, Erica E Class. Follow me on Instagram, Erica ERIKA _ E Class ECLASS. Also, my makeup page is Painted by Class. Thank y'all for tuning in. I hope you guys liked it as much as I do. Bye.